Hi everyone, welcome to Lionheart Yoga. I'm Nadra and today's tutorial is on how to do plank. All you need is your mat, so go ahead and grab that and let's get started. Okay, so plank pose. Why is plank pose such an important pose, especially to know how to do it properly? Because it involves your entire body. There's one thing that I always say, and if you really want to work at strength building in your body and you'd love to do yoga every single day, but you just don't have the time, or other strength training workouts for that matter, if you committed to doing a plank every day, whether it's 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever you can hold, if that's all you did in a day, you would see a very quick progression. And you would see how quickly you're able to hold your plank longer and longer. So I love this pose. It's just awesome. So let's get to it. The alignment, you want to make sure your hands are in Hastabandha, fingers are spread out nice and wide, and you're really gripping into all your finger pads. So that's going to protect your wrists if you have any wrist issues. Of course, you can always do the forearm plank version where your elbows are on the mat, which essentially would be the same thing as far as your body goes, what I'm going to tell you about what you need to do with your body. The only difference is you're aligning elbows directly under shoulders and you're pressing into your forearms. But ultimately, the shape of the pose is really the same. So here in our full plank, we want wrists directly underneath the shoulders. And then you're going to step your feet back so that they're about hip distance. And you want to fully engage really your entire body. So you want to make sure that you're creating a straight line from your shoulders to your heels. So you don't want your hips to drop like this, otherwise it gets into your back. And then you don't want to cheat by lifting your hips too high because then you're not engaging your core. So you need to really find that straight line. And then you want to focus on separating the space between your shoulder blades. That means you're pressing your upper back up towards the ceiling and you're not sinking into your shoulders like this. So pressing out of your shoulders, back goes up. You're tucking your tailbone, you're engaging the belly, and then you're squeezing your legs at the same time. So a lot of people forget that the legs need to be active here too. It'll give you the full benefit of this pose. Now, I'm not activating my legs right now, and I can feel it more in my back. But as soon as I squeeze those legs, tuck the tailbone, press the upper back up, it's actually easier to hold in some kind of strange way. But then you have to breathe. Your gaze should be down, so you don't want to arch through the neck like this. Keep gazing down so your neck is in line with your spine, and just continue to breathe and hold. You know when you're done, when your hips start to drop. When you feel like you can't hold your hips in that straight line anymore, that's when you should stop. But if you do this for 1 minute, awesome. Just keep doing it on a daily basis. You will see that you can hold it a little bit longer and a little bit longer. So that's your plank. Good luck, and if you have any questions, just leave them below in the comments, and have a beautiful day.